Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon. This is Dan and this is Dan Tech Channel. Actually, in this video I'm going to be showing you the platform that you can just use to make good amount of money instead of using TikTok. For those who have been using TikTok, of course, you know, you just post videos, you get a lot of views. Sometimes you ask yourself whether they are just going to get an amount of money, but you're not going to get any amount of money. This platform is just going to help you to get good amount of money. The moment even you post your first video, it will just get monetized. The more you just get views, the more you're going to get more amount of money. So to know how to do this, make sure that you watch this video until the end, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, you'll just be notified anytime we just upload a new video. So we are starting right now. Let me just jump right to my computer. I show you what is happening right over here. Come with me. Now if you just go to the Chrome browser, you see, okay, when you just type that is Rumble.com, then you just to type Rumble, you're going to see the website of this platform, and you can just do, even before you even just go to the Google, make sure that you click the link in the description of this video. I will leave my link down one over there so that you can just check it and click register using that link. It'll be very amazing. You see the Rumble as a website, that is very interesting. Yeah, so actually after registering and doing all that, I think Rumble is almost available to many countries, of course. And as you can see, this is what you see for the first time you just enter the Rumble, and you can see right over here is that Rumble just look almost like the YouTube, except that there are some similarities, there are some differences, of course, when you just compare it with the YouTube. And actually, as you can see, there are some people even who are live streaming, and they are more than 433, like this one who are watching and others. Now as we scroll down one over here in this video, I want you to notice something, because you are going to see something that is different when we just talk about the YouTube. I just want you to check that. And actually that is let me just show you something here. That is, you see some people some videos just appearing with the money they have hand right now. So you can see like this video hand $1.53 and something like that. So this is what you see actually in the Rumble. You can see there are a lot of people who actually have participated in the Rumble, and you can see, let me just show you the views right here. So you can see there are 12,000 views right here. And actually on the Rumble you also get subscribers just like the YouTube. Let me just show you my account overview. You just click over here. After you are registered, you can even upload your profile picture and all that. Account view, account overview. You see that is, you can see my account, although it's not new, I'm not been uploading so much on the Rumble, but this is how your account just look like for the first time. And let me show you my videos. You just click there on the profile, and then you just go to my content. You can see I have so much videos right here. There are some videos I've been uploading. You can see Rumble has been there for the longest time. The last date I uploaded in this video was last year, that is 1 year ago. And this video I uploaded it, that is 1 year ago also. And you can see they are just getting some views, literal views, but it's because I've not been concentrating so much on this. So what makes Rumble so special and good is that you can see all these videos are monetized. I have no big subscription, but these video of them, they are monetized, as you can see right here. So it becomes very easy for everyone maybe to monetize their video. That is different from the YouTube, because YouTube you just need 1,000 subscribers, you need 4,000 watch time in the last 1 month, and that's of course becomes so difficult with some people when they are actually when they just want to make money on the YouTube. But for the Rumble, the moment you just join and start uploading video, your payment will just start counting from where. And let me just show you actually how to, what else before even we just go to the uploading of video is the payment method. Of course, you can just start earning. As you know, there's YouTube, there's RPM, there's RPM, there's CPM cost per mile, and there's RPM revenue per mile. Okay, that means is the money amount of money you get for 1,000 views. So if you just get 1,000 views, it will just start counting right from there. Your honey will just start counting. Okay, so if you just get 1,000 views, of course your CPM will just reflect there. And if your CPM is $1, that means you just be earning $1 for every 1,000 views you just get on the Rumble. That sounds very interesting. And you can also live stream, you can upload video, the licensed video. I want us just to click and you can see you can go live, but let's just upload a video so that you can just see how easy it is. Because even if you are producer, if you have videos on the YouTube, you can upload all of them on the Rumble, and that will become very interesting. So you just click here, you can see there's title, video description, thumbnails, tags. You can add them and all that. And let's just upload this one. Now, as I was saying, over here you can choose the title, description, and over here you can just select the thumbnail, either the thumbnail that the platform has generated for you, or you can just import your own that you have created for your own. You can just click there, choose thumbnail, then you just select one of the thumbnails right here, and you open, and it will just be loaded over here. All other thumbnails are thumbnails that platform has just generated for you. And you just add description over here, you add the tags, and you can decide to schedule the video when it's just going to be live and all that. Then you just click upload. So it's just very easy. Right over here you have to know about the license, because your license options, that is video management, that is exclusive video management, YouTube, no exclusive, similar to YouTube, not monetized, not searchable, available to all your subscribers, for personal use, Rumble only, video management. So here you can just select even the first one. Yes, you can copy. If you just copied it right from the YouTube, the same one, you just click that and then you just submit. You can see now submitting right here. It's just like putting the video. This means that you can see this personal use is for only when you just want to view it, and on the Rumble it is why you see it's only in direct on the Rumble. So this is your link. Actually, this is the link I'll copy, and then I'll just give my friends, I'll post it somewhere so that people, when they just click, they'll watch my videos. Okay, now we are done with that. Let's just try and click that link. Let's paste it here and try to watch that video. So the video is processing, you can see. So the video is processing, so we are just waiting it to process so that we can just view it. Let me just go to my content. So you can see ready to share is pending right here, 1 minute upload. And when I just go over here, it's just encoding. So that means when I just share this link, everybody can just click it and view my video. This link, the link I've copied, this is one, and when I just click bam, it will just take me direct to the video, but I just have to wait so that the video can just be processed and finished, and then I can just watch the whole video, and out of that I'll just be making money out of that when I just get views. Just share like the YouTube, the normal ones and all that. You can also live stream, although there are some requirements on the Rumble. So you can just join Rumble, because you can see breaking news, Rumble announces bigger step towards merging with. So it's just a growing platform, just like the YouTube. You can just join this platform as it's growing, so that you can just grow with it together, and it will just be amazing when you just know that you just made the right decision to make videos. So you can see the video is now good, and I can watch and all that. Yeah, You can also subscribe. If you just search me, you see somewhere here written subscribe. You subscribe to my channel on the Rumble and all that. So see you next time. Goodbye.